Want to bring a dazzling display of hummingbirds right to your backyard, but tired of feeders that just leak, break, or keep the birds away? You're about to discover the exact feeders that actually work, and the ones you should absolutely avoid. We will cover everything from basic glass models to high-tech smart feeders that send stunning close-up videos right to your phone. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which feeder is the perfect fit for your outdoor space, but you will definitely want to stick around for our number one pick because it completely revolutionized the way I interact with nature. Number 7. MCHBF MC1210 Hummingbird Feeder. This model caught my eye due to its incredibly accessible price point and classic backyard look. When I first unboxed this unit, it felt incredibly lightweight, which made it very easy to hang from a standard shepherd's hook without worrying about bending the metal. It has a fairly standard plastic reservoir that holds a decent amount of nectar, meaning you won't have to run out and refill it every single day during the peak summer feeding season. The bright red plastic base is certainly vibrant enough to catch the attention of passing hummingbirds, and I did notice a few visitors stopping by within the first couple of days of testing. The feeding ports are shaped like little yellow flowers, which is a classic design choice meant to mimic the natural food sources these tiny birds look for in the wild. I also appreciated that the perches wrap all the way around, giving the birds a place to rest their wings while they drink. However, my testing period quickly revealed some frustrating realities about the construction of this particular model. The threaded connection between the plastic bottle and the base simply does not seal as tightly as it needs to, resulting in a slow but steady drip of sugar water onto my patio. This leaking not only wastes your homemade nectar, but also creates a sticky mess that is a nightmare to clean up off your deck or lawn furniture. Because of that persistent leaking issue, the feeder became an absolute magnet for unwanted pests, particularly wasps and ants. Number 6. BOLITE Hummingbird Feeder. The BOLITE immediately feels like a step up in terms of physical materials when you take it out of the packaging. Unlike the fully plastic model at number 7, this feeder features a sturdy glass bottle paired with a metal base, giving it a slightly more premium, vintage aesthetic that looks fantastic hanging from a tree branch. The glass reservoir holds plenty of nectar, and the metal base features beautiful red flower ports that the hummingbirds in my yard seem to find quite attractive. The weight of the glass also means that this feeder doesn't swing wildly in the wind, which is a great feature if you live in a particularly breezy area. I loved the way the sunlight caught the textured glass during the late afternoon, making it a genuinely pretty piece of garden decor. Unfortunately, the beauty of the metal base faded quite rapidly during my real-world weather testing over the course of a few rainy weeks. Despite being advertised for outdoor use, the metal components began to show visible signs of rust around the feeding ports and the seams of the base. This is incredibly concerning because rust can contaminate the nectar, making it potentially harmful to the delicate digestive systems of the hummingbirds you are trying to feed. Another significant hurdle I encountered with this BOLITE model was the filling and cleaning process, which felt unnecessarily complicated. The neck of the glass bottle is incredibly narrow, meaning I had to use a specialized funnel just to pour the sugar water in, and getting a cleaning brush inside to scrub away mold was nearly impossible. Five. Kingsyard Glass Hummingbird Feeder. The Kingsyard clearly learned from the mistakes of the previous two models on our list. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality of the thick, durable glass, and the base is constructed from a high-grade, rust-proof plastic that guarantees a long, safe lifespan in your garden. One of the absolute best features of this feeder is the wide-mouth design of the glass reservoir, which completely eliminates the headaches I experienced with the previous model. I could easily pour nectar straight from my mixing bowl without a funnel, and more importantly, I could fit my entire hand inside with a sponge to ensure it was spotlessly clean. This simple design choice makes the weekly chore of sanitizing the feeder take literally seconds rather than minutes. During my testing, the hummingbirds absolutely flocked to this feeder, drawn in by the bright, solid red base and the perfectly sized bee-resistant feeding ports. Kingsyard also brilliantly included a built-in ant moat at the top of the feeder. By simply keeping it filled with a splash of water, I completely eliminated the trail of sugar-hungry ants that plagued my earlier tests. It was incredibly satisfying to watch the hummingbirds drink peacefully without dodging wasps or ants. The leak-proof gasket on the base of the Kingsyard feeder is genuinely top-notch, maintaining a tight vacuum seal even when the temperature fluctuated wildly between cool mornings and blazing hot afternoons. I never once found a sticky puddle underneath this feeder, which kept my patio clean and maximized the amount of nectar actually going to the birds. The wraparound perch is also perfectly spaced, allowing multiple birds to rest and drink simultaneously. Number 4. BOLITE hand-blown glass hummingbird feeder. Let me tell you, this is arguably the most breathtakingly beautiful traditional feeder I have ever tested. Each one of these is uniquely crafted from hand-blown glass, featuring a mesmerizing swirl of vibrant reds, yellows, and blues that practically glow when the sun hits them. It is as much a piece of fine outdoor art as it is a functional bird feeder. Those vibrant, swirling colors aren't just for our benefit. They act as a massive, natural beacon for hummingbirds flying high above your neighborhood. I noticed that this feeder drew in birds from much further away than the solid-color plastic models, acting like a giant, irresistible flower in the middle of my yard. The heavy glass construction also gives it a wonderfully premium weighted feel that easily withstands heavy summer thunderstorms. The base of this model features soft, flexible flower ports that are gentle on the bird's beaks and specifically designed to keep bees and wasps from accessing the sweet nectar inside. I watched for hours as the hummingbirds comfortably gripped the metal perches, confidently guarding their beautiful new food source from competitors. The metal base has a specialized coating that completely prevented the rusting issues I saw in earlier models. Cleaning this beautiful piece is surprisingly easy, as the base separates entirely, allowing you to flush the glass globe with warm water and a specialized brush. While you do need to be slightly careful handling the heavy glass while wet, the durable nature of the blown glass meant I never felt like I was going to accidentally shatter it in the sink. 3. Billion Sky HBF-1229R. The Billion Sky truly perfects the vintage, simulation flower aesthetic while offering incredibly smart engineering. The moment I held this feeder, I was struck by the intricate, lifelike metal flowers that serve as the feeding ports, which look vastly superior to the cheap plastic flowers found on lesser models. The brushed copper finish on the metal components gives it a wonderfully rustic charm that blends perfectly into a natural garden setting. What really sets the Billion Sky apart during my testing was the sheer volume of birds it accommodated at once, thanks to its brilliantly spaced perches and large capacity glass reservoir. The base is expertly designed with a heavy-duty silicone gasket that creates an absolutely flawless, vacuum-tight seal, completely eliminating any chance of leaks. Even when swinging in strong winds, this feeder held its nectar perfectly, keeping the surrounding area completely spotless. The hummingbirds in my yard were immediately drawn to the lifelike red metal flowers, and the perches are positioned at the exact perfect distance for them to rest comfortably while feeding. I also really appreciated that the base comes completely apart into two separate, easy-to-wash pieces, meaning there are absolutely no hidden crevices where dangerous black mold can hide and grow. It makes the sanitization process incredibly thorough and completely stress-free. Another fantastic touch is the clear glass bottle, which allows you to monitor the nectar levels from a distance without having to walk up and inspect it closely. The glass is incredibly thick and durable, and the wide opening made refilling a breeze, entirely eliminating the sticky spills that usually happen on the kitchen counter. 2. Sarrafer green bird feeder with camera. This is a device that completely blew my mind during testing. This isn't just a feeder. It is a high-definition, smart home-connected wildlife camera wrapped in a beautiful green, nature-blending housing. Setting it up on my home Wi-Fi took less than 5 minutes, and suddenly I had a 1080p live stream of my backyard right in the palm of my hand. The magic of the Sarrafer feeder lies in its incredible AI species identification software, which is built directly into the companion smartphone app. Whenever a bird lands to take a drink, the camera instantly records a crystal-clear video clip, sends a notification to my phone, and actually tells me exactly what species of hummingbird is visiting. It turned my passive backyard hobby into an incredibly engaging, educational experience, where I could actively track the different migratory birds visiting my yard. The camera lens is perfectly positioned to capture breathtaking, incredibly detailed close-up shots of the hummingbirds feeding, hovering, and showing off their iridescent feathers. The nectar reservoir is securely tucked behind the camera housing, using high-quality, bee-resistant ports that keep the birds in frame for the best possible video capture. I spent hours just scrolling through the daily video clips, amazed at the tiny details of the birds' faces that you simply cannot see with the naked eye. Despite the heavy technology packed inside, the feeder itself remains incredibly functional for the birds, with a large ant moat and a highly secure, leak-proof feeding base. The battery life on the camera was highly impressive, lasting several weeks on a single charge before I had to bring the camera module inside to plug it in. Number 1. BBPECO SF2V4 WBB3. This takes the smart camera concept and elevates it to absolute perfection. This masterpiece of a feeder solves the one minor annoyance of smart feeders by incorporating a brilliant, high-efficiency solar panel directly into the design. Once I mounted this feeder and plugged in the solar panel, I quite literally never had to worry about charging the battery ever again. It simply runs flawlessly, day after day, powered entirely by the sun. The camera on the BBPECO is nothing short of cinematic, boasting ultra-high-definition resolution that captures every single rapid wing beat and iridescent feather flash in stunning clarity. The app experience is butter-smooth, delivering instant notifications to my phone the literal second a hummingbird hovers into frame. The AI identification on this model felt incredibly accurate, correctly identifying subtle differences between rufous and ruby-throated hummingbirds with astonishing precision. But what makes the BBPECO the true winner is that it never forgets its primary job, being a phenomenal, top-tier hummingbird feeder. The feeding tray is a brilliant, bright red, featuring perfectly angled ports that completely lock out bees while giving the hummingbirds effortless access to the nectar. It features the largest, most effective ant moat of any feeder I tested, ensuring that your expensive, high-tech camera doesn't end up covered in crawling insects. Cleaning and refilling the BBPECO is an absolute dream, as the nectar reservoir detaches completely from the electronic camera housing with a simple click. This means you can thoroughly wash the feeding parts in the sink without ever putting the expensive camera gear at risk of water damage.